Ewelina Bednarz, Evertiq Expo Warsaw 2023. I'm here with Włodzimierz Babś from Manufacturing Partners. You are a new player on the market. Tell me about your beginning.
Yes, we are. We're not even 1 year old. We started in December last year. We started from a transition of a manufacturing company that produced electric surfing boards for a Swedish customer. And now we are expanding into new markets and leveraging our capabilities into new products and new customers. We have several business lines. We have an electromechanical assembly, we build a wire harness, and we build battery packs. Let me tell more about battery packs. We have a mission of sustainability, defined as we want to make products last as long as they possibly can. And a great example of this is battery packs, which very often they die too early. For some reason, they cannot be used anymore. Our mission is second life, so-called second life of batteries, or let's say battery upcycling. So we would take a used battery pack and disassemble, retest the batteries and give them a new life. We have built a demonstrator project to show the second life of batteries. It's a vintage boat by C.J. Peterson. We have renovated the boat, converted to electrical propulsion, and we have given this 36 kilowatt battery pack made of batteries from city scooters. So they are we given those batteries a second life, we could say.
So what's your plan for the future and for 2024?
The future is further growth. We're moving to the new headquarters next year, and we are, with our customers, we're moving to volume manufacturing stage of several projects. So, and then maybe a new demonstrator project. We want to show that batteries have a second life and then they can be applied in different fields.